Want to sign out from YouTube on Android phone? First, you want to launch open the YouTube app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now go ahead and tap on the option of switch account. You will find a list of all of your accounts over here. At the bottom, you have the option of manage account. Go ahead and select that. Now, all of your Gmail accounts that is signed on your Android device will be shown. Go ahead and select the account that you want to remove from YouTube. Once you tap that, you have the option of remove account. Tap on that. Now you want to tap on remove account again for confirmation. Once you tap on that option, this account will be successfully signed out of your Android phone as well as from your YouTube. And in this way, you can easily sign out from YouTube. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.